What's up, guys? We're back here in JPM. My screencast just went on the fritz, but no random was done, as you can see right here. So we're gonna go live again, and that is live at 7:05. It is 7:05, and oops, these are all the prizes. Top 9 are gonna win. So we got the Joseph Auto, the Sturm Auto, the base rookie rainbows, the base and rookie rainbows, the Sunsets Matte Pinks, the best in the worlds, the thrilling finishes that comes with the Calder, uh, whatever those Calder inserts are, as well, the marquee vets and rookies, and then the base rainbows. So we're gonna go 3 times. Top 9 are gonna win. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Jason Ross, you are on top. So, Jason, you got the Joseph Auto. Exley, you got the Sturm Auto. Grant, the base rookie rainbows. Ricky, the Sunsets. Kyle, the Matte Pinks. Robert, you got the best in the world. Patrick, the thrilling finishes. Grant, the marquee vets and rookies. And Patrick, the base rainbows. And I will go over here and say done. Done at 7:07. And it is 7:07.